Hi, this is Kelly Schols with your financial tip of the week. Last week we talked about budgeting. I told you I was going to share a tip with you. Here it is. Use cash. A lot of people don't know what cash even looks like anymore. I use cash all the time. If you use cash, then you know what spending money truly feels like, and you will as well. So make sure you use cash. And here's the other thing is, when you're doing your budget, you should have in there stuff that, you want to do, like maybe go out to dinner, a couple times a month, or for clothes or whatever. Use an envelope system. Take an envelope, label it what it is, and put cash in there. If you have $100 in your budget to go out to dinner for the month, put the $100 in that envelope. When that envelope's empty, it's empty. If there's money left over, guess what? Carry it over to the next month. Maybe next month you can go out for a nicer dinner. But if you make sure and use that envelope system and use it with your budget, you will save a lot of money and you will start to pay off debt and realize what it's like to live debt-free. If you focus on your wants and needs and the little things, eventually you can live a debt-free life.